Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so how are you doing and how is your day? How is your week? Okay, so if you're new here, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a magical remedy that would help you to glow. Yeah, this remedy is actually going to help you to remove fine lines, wrinkles, and it's just going to help you to look really beautiful. Your skin is going to radiate. Yeah, you know that some of these things that we neglect, like all of these natural remedies that we actually neglect, or sometimes we might even know them but we actually do not use them that much because we're like, you know, this remedy are the ones that is just going to be superb on your skin. Yeah, so let me take you right into this video without wasting any more time. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so looking at your age, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato helps to remove all unwanted hair. It helps to close a large pores, which makes your skin look uneven and age. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be taking just a little quantity of this. So I'm gonna be blending this. Take it down. Now I'm gonna be blending this, and I'm not gonna be putting in water. Okay, so I'm going to be turning the tomato into a bowl. Alright, so the very next ingredient, which is very important, is oatmeal. Yeah, so oatmeal helps to absorb excessive oil from the skin. It helps to leave your skin looking super young, and it helps to make your skin smooth. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of this oatmeal into this tomato paste, and then we're going to give it a stir. Alright, so cucumber helps so much to remove fine lines and wrinkles from your skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and make you look half your age. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to cut the cucumber into pieces. And then we'll grab our blender. Then we'll have to blend it really smooth. Okay guys, so this is an amazing ingredient. Oh my goodness, so I'm actually going to be pouring everything together because the oatmeal is going to suck in the cucumber juice, which is actually going to make this work very well. Yeah, so after doing that, we would be giving it a stir. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is actually very important, is rice powder. Now, rice powder helps so much in lightening up the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make the skin look younger. So for you to achieve that glow and that younger skin, you'd have to be needing to put in at least 1 tablespoon of rice powder, or you can actually put in rice paste. Yeah, so what I mean by rice paste is that you have to get your rice and then you cook it and blend it, then you have your rice paste. Okay, so after doing this, we're equally going to be needing some oil. So you can use Vaseline Blue Seal, or you can use coconut oil. So for this, I'm actually going to be using a little bit of this Vaseline. Now this is actually going to help to create a glow on the skin and make your skin evenly beautiful and really smooth. Yeah, okay, so you mix everything up, and here you have your full ingredients, and this is really important. This is really gonna help you. Okay guys, so for this particular one, you can apply it onto your skin for at least 2 times a week. Now that way it's going to help so much to make your skin look really young, really glowing and super beautiful. Yeah, hey, so this is our treatment, and what we're going to do is that we're going to be getting a brush, and then we're going to be applying this onto the face. Okay, or have to apply it generously, but before you apply it, you can as well just wet your face. Now I actually remember to do that, so it is ideal you wet your face, okay, so that this ingredient can actually get into your skin really good. Okay, so I have to apply this generously to get that even clear skin, and the oats in this is actually going to make it work really fine. Yeah, okay, so after a generous application, then what we're going to do now, to get that even clear skin, you must and have to always scrub your face. Okay, scrub your skin really good. Okay, so you scrub especially the affected areas, and where you have um problems, your problem area, you just scrub and get rid of all of those blemishes and scars, and you get rid of all of your problem skin. Now you would equally have to leave this treatment on onto your face for like 3 minutes, but before you do that, you have to apply this again. Okay, so for this ingredient, you can actually you before you apply it, it is ideal you actually store it into your refrigerator. Now when you store it into your refrigerator, it's going to actually help even if you do not wet your face, just like me. Okay, the treatment is going to be really cooling, really cooling to your face, and it's going to be really active, and it's going to work really strong. Yeah, So okay, so this is it, and you're gonna leave it on for another 3 minutes. Okay, like this natural ingredient has actually been helping my face a whole lot, and it is superb. Okay, so I'm actually going to go wash this off, and I'll be back after I've waited for 3 minutes, wash my face and apply oil. Now you have to apply a very mild oil, okay? You do not need to, when you are applying natural things, do not apply all of those harsh oil. Just apply a very natural and mild oil. It's gonna be very helpful. So I'll be back. That's it. Apply it just like I've told you. Scrub all of those dead skin cells out. Have your skin looking flawless. Have your skin looking beautiful, and you're gonna be loving it here. And also remember, consistency is the key to all of these home remedies, and they work really well. So if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I would see you in my next video. Bye guys.